Hello everyone, welcome to EC Engineering in Tamil. So in today's topic, we are going to see about the technical skills we need to become a data scientist. Okay, the first skill should be a Python programming. So every data scientist should know Python programming because Python can handle everything from data mining to website constructions. So this is the major skill for every data scientist. So the next one is R programming. Okay, so every data scientist should also know R programming. So this is equal to Python programming in data manipulation, calculation, and for graphical display too. Okay, so the second skill should be a R programming. And every data scientist are proficient in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that to become a data scientist, the machine learning will be the major thing. Okay. So the machine learning helps in analyzing large amount of data using some machine learning algorithms. The next one is SQL database. So SQL is the very first step for any sequence of evaluation. So writing a query is the first step for any type of evaluation. SQL is mainly used to read, retrieve, insert or update data in a database. The next skill will be a Hadoop and Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS. It is another most important skill for data scientists. The data scientists are allowed to analyze large data set using simple models in Hadoop Distributed File System. The next skill will be a data visualization. So the data visualization is mainly for graphical representation of data using charts, graphics and maps, etc. So for performing graphical representation, we need data visualization. So every data scientist must be able to visualize the data for a given problem. So we need data visualization as a skill to become a data scientist. So the next one is business strategy. So the data scientists need a business strategy, which means they have the ability to understand the problem, and from understanding the problem, they can able to analyze the problem statement efficiently. So the data scientist should have the business strategy. So these are the skills to become a data scientist nowadays. For any doubts, please comment. Thank you for watching.